Braden Hedspeth here with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. We've got a very nice 2011 Mako 1901. It's got a 115 Mercury on the back, just over 200 hours. As you can see, this is a great boat for the bay. You can even go offshore on a great day with calm waters. Nice sun pad with very nice cushions for a 2011. You're talking 11 years old. The upholstery is great. Let's go inside and take a look. Let me show you what this boat's got. Guys, so I'm aboard here this 2011 1901 Mako. That's really when Mako had their flagship boats. Very good construction. As you can see, this boat has a upgraded aftermarket T-top that is collapsible. It also has upgraded jail audio sound system with a fusion head unit. It's got plenty of storage up front here. Again, like I had mentioned, all the upholstery is new. Tons of storage up front here. If we go to the helm, you've got a nice cooler helm seat. Again, jail audio stereo system, rod holders. It does have a 5-inch Garmin GPS navigation. Guys, this is Braden with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. You can call me at 727-744-7304 to make an appointment to check out this amazing boat.